Hey guys, I got me a mail call going on here. See, it's to me from the Shoups. And they had a little thing going on to, a little luck of the draw, if you will, for helping them get over, I believe it was 1,000 subscribers, or push them up to the next level. And they got me a letter in here. It says, hello from the Shoups, or from the Shoups Woodshop. Here's your money for the win that I can put toward a lathe fund, which I was intending to do. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy and have fun. Thanks for your support, Heidi and William, the Shoups Woodshop. Thank you very much, Heidi and William. I appreciate it, and it will indeed go toward a lathe fund because that's one thing I want to get into. What you guys do and what you create looks really neat, and along with all the other creators out there, it's just fantastic. And I'd like to try my hand at that. So thank you very much. God bless. Thanks. Bye.